Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is Tuesday, November 1st, just at the New York close here. Getting right into oil. You can see that we opened gap up from yesterday's close. We opened well above the close. We had some initial buying, and then we just had a fight in that selling to come back down and see if we can potentially get to that close if lower. They got back into the range, but it was quickly rejected, and so we are closing net positive for the day in oil. As far as gold goes, we also opened gap up, but we had more of a response to get back into balance right away. They had to just move down, hit that HVA edge, and just rejected going any lower. And you can see they just retraced back on up close to where they started. So again, we are still finishing net positive in gold, even though it was a down day overall. With that said, moving on to our equities. Now we opened outside of the range in the ES, well above the range from yesterday. So we opened gap up, and we just had a move up to that HVA. It hit it, and it just never came back. That thing just sold off and went to its close, beyond its close, and made new lows for the day. Plenty of response at these HVAs, as you can see here. It's just, for the most part, the day was just choppy, and it just got consolidated in this area here between these two HVAs for the most part for the remainder of the day. But with that said, we are actually closing net down in the ES and Nasdaq. We're taking a look at Nasdaq. It is a similar story, except for we had a little bit more buying right at the open, as we opened on, for all intents and purposes, on that HVA edge. It held as support, came back, getting close to that HVA edge for resistance, and it just shot down those two attempts that it had, and then it followed suit in the ES's path and just kept going down with it. So also the Nasdaq finishing down lower than its prior days. You can see just the response at this edge here. Tons of buying and then selling once it broke. Good support and resistance areas. But again, overall finishing net down for the day. If you're interested in finding out how you can get these HVA levels or high volume area levels onto your charts, or interested in learning how to trade futures in general with our methodology, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. At either place, you can reach out to one of our consultants. They'll gladly be able to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.